caught up with Juddy Tindi Opiyo, who's the Enterprise Development Officer for FAOSO, and she conceived of this idea, which is taking waste product from the livestock industry and turning it into jewellery, dried meat products and soap. We hope that by highlighting her enterprise we can attract investors, which we think is a great project.
So we started with a group of 40. We came on the ground, identified an association that was working with women group and youth. Mainly what they're doing was slaughtering animals and selling, and so we're improving the hygiene in terms of the products they're making. Once the animal comes from the slaughterhouse, we are trying to utilize everything kind of along the value chain and also undertake some waste management along the process. We teach them how to hygienically prepare the traditional delicacy, that's the mukumad, and how to package it. Just make it better than what they have traditionally sold in the market. The bone that is left is then used for harvesting the bone marrow, again, which is packaged in jerry cans of about 10 liters and 5 liters and sold. And then the final bone is cleaned and preserved, and that's what we use for doing the bone craft. When people heard about bone craft, and various ministers would come to the site to see for themselves, and they would say, you've put in something that's imparting skills and that's actually helping the youth and the women to generate income and to create employment for themselves. We have started the next batch of training for 80 people, and the good feeling is that it has an element of sustainability. The raw material is available locally, and the skills, if retained, can create family business, can create group business, can create income. We want to, first of all, segment the soap into other sub-products, increase the value by probably making toilet soap with aloe vera, again, which is locally found. Maybe perfume the soap using frankincense and the local perfumes from Burao. Currently, they go up to the wet blue stage, and then it's exported. And it's used in Italy and around the world for making some of the best products in the market. But we believe a little of that can be done here. We are also looking at working on hides and skin products because there's a lot of leather. So we want to train them to preserve the hides and skin and then to have it for production of leather products. Machinery is the big thing now because we've shown with the manual production they can do so much. But with machinery, they can have safety guards, they can produce better finished products, they can produce in bulk, and that is what we need for market. During the expo, we have had the opportunity to meet several interest groups, and we've come across Shaqo, which again has indicated the opportunity for networking with other like-minded groups, business groups, and that would be a big plus to find support to scale this up because it has potential in terms of generating income, generating business, and also for improving the product for the export market.